Alright. So we've just done a session, a whole day in the garden. It's cold, we're in London. So come back to the man cave.
Aye.
And we grabbed a pumpkin from the garden.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Guess what we're gonna do now?
What we're gonna do?
We're gonna cut him and cook some pumpkin rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're gonna see exactly what's inside this.
Let's have a look.
So let's put this pot over here. We're gonna bust and see this.
The colour.
Soul food god pumpkin that. And this is solid. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Crazy.
Yeah, man.
Crazy. I can't wait to eat that.
No, you know.
And we're gonna cook in the. We're in London, but we've got a Jamaican kitchen.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Original Jamaican kitchen.
Jamaican kitchen.
Let me have this pumpkin seed now. We're gonna put some pumpkin seed now.
Oh yeah.
So that one is tomato seed, you know. These are
drying
tomato seed. Yeah, man. And this is pumpkin seed. And I can turn it off now and brew. See
What we
that?
brewing?
We're brewing mint, you know what I mean? Our own mint, what we grow.
Yes.
That's what we're gonna drink now. So we're gonna take out some pumpkin seed now. Go on. Grow for next year, man. Look at that now. Look what comes out of this one now. Look at that. Look at that. Seeds. See them there? Organic seeds, man. Yeah, look at that. Oh, the seeds coming out of it.
The colour's crazy.
Oh, crazy.
Orange,
man.
proper orange.
Yeah, man, orange. And this is now, what do you call it? The other one, what do you call it? Halloween. When you grow Halloween pumpkin.
No. We don't do that. That's not real pumpkin.
We're growing natural mystic.
Live. It's alive.
Live food. Look out, see the fly?
Yeah, innit?
Yeah, man.
Look at
You
that.
know, so we're gonna cook this up, you know? Yeah, that one there. This one also. So it's gonna be a beautiful meal that we're gonna make. I'm gonna make for you guys. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I can't wait. This is one good thing about having a neighbour that cooks, that can farm, that can build. Look at this. I'm learning every time. Look at all that.
You want to tell them about this? Look at that. Look at this.
Innit?
This is our eating. How we can cook. So eating plus eating.
Innit?
You know what I mean? Warmness for eating. And we cook food on top of us. Eating plus eating. And look at that. You see the elephant chunk?
Crazy.
So this is the
Yeah,
elephant.
innit?
Yeah, man. That's what I call more.
Look at these creations.
Fly in the sky. Yeah.
Look at this. More blessings.
Every time. More blessings every time.